AI is no longer the future. In 2026, it's the difference between people who move fast and people who get left behind. The good news, you don't need money, you don't need coding skills, you just need the right tools. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that are completely free. Tools you can use for work, content creation, learning, and everyday life. Let's start. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, free version. ChatGPT is still the most versatile AI tool in 2026. You can use it to write scripts, emails, and social media posts, summarize books and long articles, learn new skills, step-by-step brainstorm ideas in seconds, solve problems faster than Google ever could. What makes ChatGPT powerful isn't just answers. It's thinking support. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start with clarity. Whether you're a student, creator, entrepreneur, or just trying to be more productive, ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant available 24/7. And yes, the free version is still insanely useful. Tool number 2, Canva AI, free plan. If you think design is hard, Canva AI proves you wrong. With Canva's free AI tools, you can generate designs instantly, create presentations, posters, and thumbnails. Use AI to write text and captions, remove backgrounds in one click, turn ideas into visuals in minutes. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need design skills, just type what you want, and Canva builds it for you. In 2026, visuals matter more than ever. Canva AI lets anyone look professional, for free. Tool number 3, CapCut AI. If you create videos, CapCut is a must. CapCut's free AI features allow you to auto-generate captions, remove silence automatically, enhance video quality, use AI voiceovers, create viral-style edits with templates. This is especially powerful for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. What used to take hours now takes minutes. CapCut turns beginners into editors, and editors into machines. Tool number 4, Google Gemini, free version. Google Gemini is Google's AI brain, and it's deeply connected to search. You can use Gemini to research topics faster, get real-time information, summarize websites, analyze trends, ask complex questions with up-to-date answers. Unlike traditional search, Gemini explains things clearly and connects ideas together. If you're a student, researcher, or someone who wants accurate current information, Gemini is a powerful free alternative. Think of it as Google Search, upgraded with intelligence. Tool number 5, Notion AI, free tier. Notion AI helps you organize your life and your mind. With Notion's free AI features, you can plan your day and goals, turn messy notes into clear summaries, create to-do lists automatically, write faster and think clearer, build systems instead of chaos. This tool is perfect if you feel overwhelmed, forget ideas, struggle with consistency. Notion AI doesn't just store information, it helps you think better. Bonus tip, optional section. The real power isn't using one AI tool, it's combining them. For example, use ChatGPT for ideas, Canva for visuals, CapCut for video, Gemini for research, Notion AI for organization. That's how individuals compete with teams in 2026. AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will replace people who don't. All 5 tools you saw today are free. No excuses, no waiting. Start using them and step into the future prepared. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you'll try first.